So let's start the unboxing of this laptop. So friends, this is the ASUS TUF A15 HN246T model with 16GB RAM and Ryzen 7 4800H, the Ryzen 4000 series processor which has 8 cores.
अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलिए ताकि आपको फर्दर नोटिफिकेशंस हमारे वीडियोस की मिलती रहें.
So we briefly talked about this configuration. It has 1TB of SSD storage only, no HDD one, which is the slower one. So the MRP of this is 1,29,000 rupees, but you can buy it from Amazon at 1,12,000 rupees, but I bought it from Reliance Digital where it is available for 94,049 rupees only. Now let's open the box, and here we see ASUS stickers which you can use for decoration purpose. Quite nice stickers you'll be able to find here. You can put it wherever you want, including on your laptop. And now let's take out the main laptop. So friends, we are now about to see the laptop, and here it is. It has military grade strength, and this is the ASUS symbol over here. This is the TUF gaming laptop. We can see it from the back side as well. It has vents for cooling, which is one of the good features of this laptop. Now I'm opening it for you. Looks nice, and these are few of the features mentioned about gaming: the NVIDIA card, the Ryzen 7 4000 series processor, and all the stuff is mentioned over here, which makes this laptop quite good. We'll keep on talking about all these great configurations of this laptop, which we talked briefly at the start of the video as well. During the course of the video also we'll keep on seeing it. So friends, this is the first look of this laptop in this video. Now we take out the other stuff that has been provided. This is the user guide which has been provided to us in the box, and this says about the service details that we can get the premium service anytime and anywhere. So this is good. And now we open the box further. We see we have been provided with the charger and the charging cable as well. So here are these two things that have also been provided in the box to us. And now let's see the laptop. Let's turn on the laptop. The first thing we notice over here is the 144Hz screen refresh rate, which is pretty impressive for gaming. And also we see the Ryzen 4000 series 4800H processor, which has 8 cores and 16 threads. And here we can see that there are lightings have been provided on the keyboard, which makes it attractive to kids as well and to adults as well. And now see the ASUS mark. This, we are starting it for the first time, this laptop now. So we have the ASUS symbol, and it looks quite good, along with the colorful lighting on the keyboard. There's an option to turn off this lighting also if you don't like it. And now we are loading up this laptop for the first time, and it has Cortana Assistant as well. This comes with pre-installed Windows 10 edition. Choose the language: English, United States. Yes.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help.
Cortana.
A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. Use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your region is set to the United States. Is that right?
So let's select the region as India.
Your keyboard is set to US. Want to stick with that?
And let's go to English India again.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
Skip.
Now we have some important setup to do. Next up, the legal stuff. Your PC comes with a free 1-month trial of Microsoft 365 Family.
Now we're all set. The Windows has been set up. Windows 10 Home, which came pre-installed with this ASUS TUF A15 laptop. Now let's see the configuration of this laptop. It has 16 GB of RAM. It has the AMD Ryzen 7 4800H processor, the 2.9 GHz processor with 8 cores and 16 threads, as it says 16 CPUs over here. And this is much faster, much better in performance than almost all the i7 Intel processors, and also much cheaper than that. It has Windows 10 Home pre-installed. And let's see the graphics card. It has the GeForce GTX 1660Ti NVIDIA graphics card with 6 GB of memory. It has 1 TB of SSD storage, which is pretty fast than the HDD one, and it is 15.6. So all in all, it's a very wonderful laptop at a very attractive price range. Thank you.